Hello and welcome to another open box video. Today we're going to be opening the Clover Compact credit card terminal. I was very excited to do this open box video because this is the first credit card terminal that Clover produces. So today we're going to be doing the open box and we're going to see what comes inside. So once you get your new Clover Compact, you're going to open it right here. And you're going to be able to see the manual right on the top and your quick start guide. And if you need any help, you can contact us. But if not, this is going to tell you how to put the paper in, how to put the power on, turn the power on, and how to work out the basic settings of the machine. So once you take that out, you're going to move this box and you're going to be able to see the actual credit card terminal. What's exciting about the Clover Compact is that it uses a very small amount of space. And as you can see right here, it follows the same color as the Clover brand, but it comes with a pin pad so clients can put, so that customers can use the pin pad and put the amount, or they can take a chip card here, or they may take contactless right here. So let's continue with the open box. So right here, you're going to be able to see the little box that brings the charger cable. So once I'm able to open this, I will be able to show you the charger. So here's the little terminal. Right here's the charger, which goes right here where you can see the power icon right there. So you would put that right here, hit it through here, and now your Clover Compact is almost ready to go. If you're going to be accepting PIN debit, the machine also comes with a privacy screen, so you can set it up right here. You take the sticker off, and that way when a customer is paying with a debit card, they have the privacy to put their PIN right here. And I hope you liked the video. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, or like this video, or share it, or let us know any video you would like to see below. Thank you.